Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SE Plus, and I'm sorry, this is a 2018, I misspoke, 2018. Rear entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. Got these clamps here that keep the rams from rattling, handles on both sides, it's a very good design, ramp tight comes down. Look, I can do this with one finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. It does taper down to about 33 there at the base for a chair to go through, the base of it. 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Headliner looks great. You can see the rear air controls up there. And a few small scuffs in here, you know, to be expected, someone loading things in the back. 21 inches of room between the seats, so most often the chair will slide up in. The legs will sit right up here, the bottom will sit just behind it. We can always remove one chair to make some more room. We've got chairs that flip up on their side. So let us know what you need, tell us your measurements. There is no one size fits all, but we can modify these vans to try and meet your needs. Dash looks good, steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, can sync your phone to it, dual climate control, rear air. Got your plugs down there for your electronics. Cup holders galore, the nice little center console in there. We do give a free set of pull tight shoe strength tie downs away with each van. So when everybody's secure, come back out. Look there, one finger, all it takes. Lift it back up. A great alternative to those super expensive electric ramps and doors. So come over, close the lid up, give it a good slam, and you're ready to roll. A quick walk around to the van. We got 4 brand new tires on this van. New tires, tinted windows in the rear. The body's in very clean shape. It's hard to find a dent or scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying just like all of our vehicles, we are very picky with what we buy. I don't buy junkers, I don't buy clunkers, I don't buy floods. I buy nice clean vans we can put on our lot that we can be proud of and that our customers can buy, and then what our goal is to have something that looks nice and runs nice for many years to come. A very clean van, been very well taken care of. Very clean interior. We always show you the VIN number, that way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling one of those internet scams like a lot of people do and trying to get money from you without showing you the VIN number or the vehicle. So, speaking of that VIN number, we do give a free Carfax report away with each one of our vehicles. This Carfax shows no accident or damage. 3 owners, last owned in a rust-free state, Arizona. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon on the title history. No total loss. They guarantee no structural damage. Airbag deployment, odometer checks out good. No accidents and no open recalls. So this is exactly what we're looking for. And like I said, Arizona-owned vehicle. You can check out this Carfax in as much detail as you like. But we do go the extra mile so you know exactly what you're getting. Okay, back to the interior. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Small crack in the plastic there. Looks like somebody's... Nope, it's still cracked there. So just want to show you this is not a perfect van. I'm not trying to represent it as a perfect or brand new van. But it is a very, very nice van. And the very small blemishes it has are very minor. Every vehicle with 73,000 miles on it's going to have some nicks or scratches in it somewhere, little issues. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about those, what I see. So I want you to see what I see. I got the 2 keys when I go to start the van up. Like I said, 73,146 miles. Got the backup camera. You can sync your phone. That view you just saw just through the camera. There's no lines on the actual backup camera. It's just the view you're seeing. We check everything, big and small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. If you've been car shopping before, you know a lot of these people, whether it be on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or all these other dealers. You get out there, they didn't tell you about the big dent in the side. They didn't tell you about the transmission slipping. They didn't tell you about the check engine light. Hey, I am too busy selling vehicles and I am too honest to try and pull the wool over your eyes. I'm showing you what I see. So go waste your time at all those other dealers and other people on the internet, then come see me. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. I look along these fender rails. I don't see any signs of any damage like from an accident. Got your emissions control sticker right there. I don't see any signs of any leaks. I don't see any signs of any damage. Everything looks exactly the way we want it to look on a used vehicle. As I crawl underneath the van, you can see there's no signs of any damage. I don't see any signs of any rust, no signs of any leaks. Everything looks great. And that's the number one mistake people make when used car shopping. Listen up, listen up. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because it's got a good price. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They automatically assume the vehicle runs and drives good. I want you to go to my competition's website. Go. I'm sending you to the competition. Go check them out. Go look at their videos or their pictures. Right? They don't have videos. Go look at their pictures right now. They don't show the undercarriage. They don't go the extra mile to show the undercarriage, the Carfax, the video. The reason they don't show you the undercarriage, they buy a lot of these from the East Coast. They're all rusted out underneath. They're nasty. They're going to have problems with brake lines rusting through. They're going to have a lot of issues down the road with rust. But they don't tell you about that. And they just hope that you'll assume that because it looks nice in pictures, you'll assume that it runs and drives good. You'll assume it won't have those rust issues. So people get taken on the internet every day for their life savings. Don't be one of those people. Demand a detailed video like this. And if you don't, and the vehicle shows up and it's all rusted out underneath, got a bunch of rust issues, it doesn't run and drive right, the transmission's slipping, hey, you only got yourself to blame. I'm warning you, I'm telling you, I've been doing this 10 years. Demand a detailed video. Let's get it out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, you don't have to assume, you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's roadworthy. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise in the steering, so exactly what we're looking for. So with all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. I cannot predict what they're going to do tomorrow. I can show you the video of what I know today, but I strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Protect your investment, folks. I'm selling these wholesale, not retail. If I'm selling a retail, I can stand behind it. But if you want to save $5,000, $10,000, spend a couple $100s on that 90-day factory type warranty, or get something extended even further, but protect your investment. Also keep in mind, I've got the cruise control. Cruise control set works great. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, but they don't have free shipping. Then you got to factor that in. And moving 4,000-pound vehicles is not cheap, especially when fuel is high like it is right now. We don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. The next thing you know, that real nice price is about $1,500 higher than what they told you it was going to be. And my question to you is, if someone tells you a van's $30,000, shouldn't it be $30,000? I mean, minus sales tax, of course. Uncle Sam's got to get his cut. But shouldn't the van be $30,000, not $31,500 after all these bogus fees? And if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, come on, let's use some common sense. What else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding an accident? Are they hiding a salvage title? I don't know. But I just know if someone's not being honest from the get-go, there's 99% chance they're hiding something else. So you keep that in mind. You do what you want with that. But a nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So all exactly what we're looking for. And also take into account, nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. Dozens of pictures, detailed description, free Carfax reports, detailed videos, and also check out our reputation. On Google, last I saw, we had 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. On eBay, we have over 820 transactions. Everybody left us positive feedback. That is 820 plus people that said Affordable Mobility Solutions did me right, and 0 people said we did them wrong. So yeah, reputation matters. Not every seller is the same. I promise you that. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email. Or if you're old school and you're not real savvy with the internet, that's okay. Call us. We'll take an application over the phone. We're always happy to help. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. Hey, if you're more of a text message, or if you're more comfortable doing that, give me a text on my personal cell phone, 316-518-4377. Hey, I want you to call the competition. I want you to ask them, the Bronze, the big VMIs, Freedom Motors, United Access, Mobility Works. Ask them, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Ask them, see what they say, because I am. I'm that committed to customer service. If you got an issue, you can reach out and get a hold of me. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about those. Let us evaluate your trade. Let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.